Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this pet hair removal tool. This is a really neat brush. Comes in 3 different pieces. All you've got to do is simply snap them together, and then you have a really nice long-handled pet tool that you can go on for couches, for bedding, clothes, all sorts of different things. And if you have a small area, you actually have a little one at the end that just pops right out to be able to get into small little crevices and get that hair out of there. So that is a really neat little feature. And it has a little hook, so you can hook this up so you can easily find it anytime you need to have it. So I'm going to take you out to my couch and we are going to pull off some pet hair. You can just see how well this connects on here. The feel of it is really nice. You can feel the different fibers as you go one way and as it picks up the other way. So that way it doesn't just drag all over the place. That's been designed to be able to do this. The handle is nice, so you can actually have it at this nice degree here, and it's still flat here, but your hand isn't down with it. So I do like how they've made this angle of the brush very easy for the user. Here's the brush head up close. This little back silicone part right here if you did need to wipe up for any sort of mess. And this is all waterproof, so whenever you put it into the water, you can actually just easily wipe it off, put it in the water and clean it up. And then there are your buttons to add it and remove it. So here's your extending brush that comes right out the other end here, that you just simply put right back in there, and then you've got it for next time. On this end, you actually have another brush here that you can then use to be able to brush anything off that you need to get to, and then that just snaps right back into place right here. So this is the back of my couch where my dog always sits, and it is gross. Now I could go through and just pick up all the pieces like this, but when you got something like this, all you've got to do is just rub it both ways. And with the way this fabric is, oh wow, that's picking that up real fast. With the way that this is, you can put it on any sort of surface and it's not going to scratch it up or anything. I mean, that picked that up real easy. Super easy to remove that hair. I am really impressed with how well this is working and how easy it just glides right across the furniture. Be able to pick up all of that extra hair, and I don't have to pull any sticky stuff off. I don't have to reuse it with pulling off and buying new ones because this is reusable. This works absolutely great. And if you did happen to get it really dirty, you can just get it wet, clean it up, and use it for the next time. Super easy to clean off, and it is doing a great job cleaning off this surface. I really appreciate how easy this is to use and how you can hang it up and has all those extra little brushes for different details that you might need it for.